What's the meaning of Colonel Bogey? Colonel Bogey. Colonel Bogey.
Colonel Bogey. Colonel Bogey. Colonel Bogey is the name of a British march that was first composed in 1914. The tune became famous during World War II and was often whistled by soldiers. The song's melody is simple but catchy, and it is often associated with military parades and events. The tune has become a cultural icon in the UK and has been featured in several movies and TV shows. Despite its popularity, the meaning behind the name Colonel Bogey remains unknown, with several theories suggesting it may be named after a golfer or a military officer.